This is the AI News Flash for February 12th, 1 a.m. UTC. First up, a Reuters exclusive reveals the Pentagon is pushing major AI companies, including OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and xAI, to deploy their tools on classified military networks. The Defense Department wants these companies to remove many of their standard user restrictions for classified deployment. The unclassified platform GenAI.mil has already been rolled out to over 3 million Defense Department employees. OpenAI says this week's agreement applies only to unclassified use and would require a new deal for expansion. Anthropic states it opposes use for autonomous weapons targeting and domestic surveillance. Defense Secretary Hegseth declared that the world's leading AI models will soon be available on every classified and unclassified network across the department, signaling a major acceleration in military AI deployment. Next, Microsoft is experimenting with high-temperature superconducting cables to revolutionize power delivery in AI data centers. And in a pilot with Massachusetts-based startup Veer, a single superconducting cable successfully delivered 3 megawatts of power. Because superconductors have zero electrical resistance, there are no transmission losses and no heat generation. These cables require only a 2-meter-wide trench compared to traditional overhead power lines. With data center construction outpacing grid upgrades, this technology could solve a critical bottleneck in AI infrastructure. The main challenge remains maintaining the extreme cooling required below -200 degrees Celsius to keep the cables in their superconducting state. Third story. Microsoft security researchers have identified a growing wave of AI memory poisoning attacks targeting enterprise chatbots. Websites are embedding malicious links disguised as summarize with AI buttons. When clicked, these inject instructions into the AI assistant's memory, making it treat specific companies or services as trusted in all future conversations. Over a 60-day tracking period, researchers found 50 distinct prompt samples linked to 31 organizations across 14 industries. The technique is classified by MITRE Atlas as memory poisoning. Health, finance, and security sectors face the highest risk, as manipulated recommendations in these areas can have serious consequences. And finally, Bloomberg reports that Stack Infrastructure, owned by Blue Owl Capital, is securing a $2.1 billion loan for AI data center expansion. The 5-year facility will fund a new 250-megawatt data center project in Melbourne, Australia. 5 major banks, including MUFG, Natixis, Societe Generale, and Sumitomo Mitsui, are underwriting the deal. This follows a wave of massive AI infrastructure financing, including Ares Management's $2.4 billion loan to Vantage Data Centers last week, underscoring the global scale of AI data center investment. That's all for this AI News Flash.